Hello world travelers, and welcome to another Crafty Corner. Today we are going to be making some lotus flowers. First, flip your cupcake liner inside out. Then take whatever one you want to go on next and make it into a little flower shape. Now take your flower shape and glue it onto your inside-out cupcake liner. Continue cutting out your flower shapes on all of your other cupcake liners, and then glue them on just like you did the first one. Thank you for joining us for our Crafty Corner, and we hope that you join us for the next one.